We are told to solve 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 20. Our goal here is to find the value of x that can satisfy the equation on the board. First thing you have to do is to check, can I actually express the two bases to be the same? Is it possible? No. So what do? You take the logarithm of both sides. So if you take the log of 2 power x plus 1, and that's equals to the log of 20. Okay? The reason why we took the log is that logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the what? Log. So we are going to multiply this power x plus 1 to the log. So that becomes x plus 1 into log 2 is equals to log 20. Okay? So if you have this now, you can now see we use log 2 to open the bracket. Log 2 will times 1 and log 2 will times x. So what do we have? Log 2 times x is x log 2, and log 2 times 1 is plus log 2, and that's equals to log 20. Okay? So since we have this, the next thing we do is to collect like terms. These terms are the same. So I have to subtract log 2 from both sides. So I have it that x log 2 is equals to log 20 minus log 2. Okay? Remember in logarithm, if we are subtracting logarithm of the same base, all we need to do is to divide the numbers. So what do we have here? We will now have it to be, keep the base the same, you have it as 20 over 2, okay, in the same base. And this will give us x log 2 is equals to log 10. To get the value of x, all you need to do is to divide through by log 2 and divide through by log 2. Okay? So if I divide by log 2, what do we have? You see that x is equals to log 10 over log 2. Okay? Remember that 10 here can be expressed in product of 2. Okay? So what do you have? You are going to have that x is equals to log 2 times 5. Okay? Then divided by log 2. Okay? So when multiplying in the same base, what do? We have to do what? We can still add them in the same log. So what do you have? We can have log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. From fractional rule, you can see we can split the fraction. And that will be that we have it as log 2 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. Okay? So if you have this, you see that log 2 will be out. We are having x to be equal to 1 because we divided by log 2 plus, these are logarithms. This is two logs dividing themselves in a common base. So we can use change of base formula to write it to be log of base 2 of 5. And that's the required solution to this log. If this video is interesting, do well to click the like, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified anytime I make a new post. Bye.